If you've been waiting for a good moment to level up your sewing setup, this is one of the best times to do it. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or someone who wants to start taking sewing more seriously, the machines on this list offer some of the best performance and reliability you can get right now. Before we begin, remember that prices and stock can change quickly. If you want verified live offers, check thedetailedguide.com where updated discounts are posted as they drop. And every machine mentioned in this video is linked for you right below in the description. In this video, we're breaking down the 7 best sewing machines available today, covering everything from beginner models to advanced computerized machines for quilting and embroidery. No matter what kind of sewing you want to do, there's something here that can fit your workflow, your skill level, and the type of projects you enjoy. 1. Brothers Sewing and Quilting Machine. Starting the list is the Brothers Sewing and Quilting Machine, a machine that has become extremely popular among beginners and intermediate sewists because of how easy it is to learn and how flexible it is once you get going. This machine comes with a smooth feed system that helps your fabric glide through without bunching or skipping. It has a selection of built-in stitches that cover basic hems, decorative edges, and simple quilting lines. If you want something simple enough to learn on but still powerful enough for longer-term use, this is a great starting point. It's lightweight, surprisingly sturdy, and ideal for sewing clothes, repairing fabrics, or working on small quilting projects. The automatic features make it friendly for people who get frustrated by manual threading or tension issues. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. 2. Brothers CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Next is the Brothers CS7000X, which takes everything people love about the first machine and adds more precision and ease through computerized controls. This machine is perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade their sewing experience without moving into extremely high-end pricing. It includes multiple automatic settings, such as controlled needle positioning, programmable stitching, and a wide quilting table that gives you more room when working on big projects. The improved needle threader is easier than previous versions, and the LCD screen makes selecting stitches much clearer. The CS7000X is especially good for people who want accuracy for garments, crafts, and quilting blocks. It's reliable, quiet, and designed for long-term use. There's a link in the description if you want to explore it further. 3. Janome 001 Lovely Lilac Easy-to-Use Sewing Machine. If you're looking for something extremely easy to use, the Janome Lovely Lilac stands out as one of the best beginner machines on the market. The compact size makes it perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorm rooms, or craft tables. The lightweight design also makes it easy to move around or store when not in use. Even though it looks cute and colorful, it's still built with Janome's strong internal components, so you get consistent stitching and dependable performance. It's ideal for kids, teens, and beginners who want to learn sewing without dealing with complicated features. This machine handles basic hems, repairs, simple crafts, and small creative projects without difficulty. The link is in the description. 4. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing. The 4th machine on our list is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, one of the most loaded sewing machines you can get without stepping into commercial or industrial territory. This machine is full of features designed for advanced creators, fashion students, and anyone who wants more stitch options and more customization. You get hundreds of built-in stitches, decorative settings, alphanumeric options for monogramming, automatic speed control, and precision enhancements that make your sewing smoother and more efficient. The Quantum Stylist is known for being fast, stable, and powerful enough for thicker materials. If you've been sewing for a while and you want a machine that grows with you, this one is a fantastic step forward. The link is below. If you're just joining in, this is our ongoing list of the 7 best sewing machines available right now. Every machine mentioned is linked for you in the description so you can explore the features in detail. 5. Bernette B79 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Next is the Bernette B79, a premium sewing and embroidery combo machine. This machine is built for creators who want more artistic control and want to add embroidery to their projects without buying a separate device. The touchscreen display makes selecting stitches and embroidery designs extremely intuitive. You can adjust stitch length, width, tension, and other settings with precision. The embroidery module lets you design custom patches, monograms, patterns and detailed artwork that take your crafts or business to the next level. If you're planning to turn your sewing into a small business, or you want professional-level results for clothing and decor, the Bernette B79 is one of the best options in this category. There's a link in the description if you want to see more. 6. Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine, Wireless LAN Connected. The Brother SE700 is another combination sewing and embroidery machine, but it adds modern convenience through wireless LAN connectivity. This means you can import patterns directly from your device without using cables or memory cards. It includes an intuitive touchscreen, precise stitching, multiple embroidery patterns, and a smooth sewing experience that works well for beginners and advanced users alike. This machine is excellent for anyone who wants to blend traditional sewing with digital creativity. You can update designs, add patterns, or transfer custom graphics instantly. If you love the idea of mixing technology with sewing, this machine hits a very good balance. The link is in the description. 7. Babylock Vibrant Serger. With differential feed, we have the Babylock Vibrant Serger, a machine designed for people who want clean, professional edges similar to what you see on store-bought clothing. A standard sewing machine can handle most tasks, but a serger takes your finishing quality to a whole new level. The differential feed ensures that your fabric moves smoothly, without waves, stretching, or gathering. This is especially helpful when working with stretchy materials like knits or delicate fabrics that need a clean, controlled edge. Sergers are great for people who want to make clothing, athletic wear, costumes, or anything that needs durable seams. The Babylock Vibrant is a great entry point because it's user-friendly while still offering the speed and precision that sergers are known for. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best sewing machines available right now. Whether you're just beginning your sewing journey or upgrading your setup, each of these machines brings something different to help you create with confidence. Deals in stock can shift quickly, so if any of these caught your attention, all the live links are waiting for you in the description below. Happy sewing and enjoy your new machine!